Hello, this is Justin, and this video is about how to make money from Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates is a affiliate marketing site where you can make money by posting affiliate links on whatever platform you have. So the way to make money is to first of all, sign up for Amazon Associates, and then you will have access to a bunch of product links to almost every product Amazon sells. And all you have to do is copy those links and post it on your platform. So you need to have either a website or a YouTube channel or an Instagram page or some sort of platform or website that you have. And once you do that, if people click on on the links you post and buy the products that you are promoting, then you get a small commission from that sale. So it's all about volume. The bigger volume you have, the more money you make, and also the type of products you sell. If you're trying to promote products that cost more, you will get a bigger cut because the percentage will end up as a bigger dollar amount if it's something that costs a lot more. So that's how you make money from Amazon Associates. Signing up is for free, but in order to get approved formally, you need to make at least 3 sales within the last 180 days, which isn't that bad if you think about it, because 180 days is half a year. And if you aren't making at least 3 sales in half a year, that's not a good sign, because 3 sales won't give you that much money, because you're only getting small percentage, like about 5% to 10%, depending on the product and category of the products you're promoting. So you need to make at least 3 sales within the last 180 days to get approved. But once you get approved, you have permanent access. So that's the basics of the Amazon Associates program. You can also make money from Amazon bounties, which are it's sort of like this. It's very similar to affiliate. It is affiliate marketing, and it's very similar to the basic Amazon Associate program. The difference is, instead of selling a product that Amazon is selling for a third party, you're actually selling the programs and products Amazon sells themselves, like Kindle or Audible or Amazon Prime. And every time you post a link of one of the Amazon bounties, for example, a link to signing up for Amazon Prime, and someone clicks on that link and signs up, you get a bounty. And there's a fixed amount. I don't remember off the top of my head how much it is, but the more volume you get and the more people buy through your link, the more money you make. And another way to make money is the Amazon Influencer program, and you have to sign up for that. I sign up for it. You need to have a large enough following on social media. And the advantage you have on the Amazon Influencer program is you get your own Amazon Influencer site, and you can post the products that you want to sell on your site. So you get your own site on Amazon, and you post whatever products that you want to sell, and every time someone buys a product, you get a commission. And these products aren't your own products, they're products that Amazon sells. So it's the same as the basic affiliate program for Amazon. You're still selling other people's products, but the difference is now you have your own site, which could be very helpful for you and could be very beneficial. So those are the basics of how to make money on Amazon Associates. A few tips. One is you really need to build big volume to make a substantial amount of money. So invest time into building up your social media platforms, your YouTube channels, your website, and try to get more visitors so that there's more volume. And the more volume there is, it's easier for you to get people to click on your links and to buy your products. The second tip is really focus on a few niches, because once you focus on a few niches, or even just one niche, if you're really passionate about it, you become an expert. You gain a reputation for knowing a lot about this particular topic. And once you gain that credibility, people are more likely to trust you, and they're more likely to click on your links and buy whatever you recommend. So that's a big tip on how to make more money from Amazon Associates and getting the most out of the program. I would also advise you to really try to deliver value for people. Don't just recommend a bunch of random products, because then people won't trust you. It's all about building trust with your audience. And once your audience will trust you, they will want to buy whatever you are using or buy whatever you are recommending, because they trust you, they trust your credibility, and that's very important, and that's essential to being really successful in the Amazon Associates program. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. Follow me on Instagram, where you can DM me, and follow me on Medium, where I write about the same articles I talk about on YouTube. Thank you, and see you next time.